extension parking lot. You can see that's existing parking lot, the extension parking lot. You can see over there they just poured today in the morning the concrete for slab, and this section they poured yesterday and they started to do socket. You can see socket today, chalk line and cut it, and you can see they have the level, make sure everything is same elevation. Here you can see for the pile foundation, you can see rebar there, safety cover, and also columns. You can see columns, rebars, and here you can see the safety fence. You can see also they are working for concrete for roof. Over there, they are working with rebar stuff. Here they already poured concrete for that section. You can see rebars and crane tower. That's a great company, nicer. Okay, here you can see everything organized. Scaffolding, pipes, and that's the platform. You can see the beams will be everything brand new, wood package, rebars, and here you can see safety, everything safety, hard hat, vest, gloves, eyeglass, columns. Here you can see how they bent the rebar, and here you can see how they do the extension, open and close. You can see open and some different things. So it will be here and it will be here. Okay, same thing for each column, different height, their design. Okay guys, height also. Okay, so it's a good project, good size. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. So it's about concrete columns and beam, concrete structure, and concrete slab for extension, for extension concrete parking lot. Thank you guys.